Hi guys, I'm sorry that today's video is not about After Effects. Today I want to show you my DJI Gimbal settings that I use. Some of you asked me to make this tutorial and show you my settings of DJI Gimbal. In my case it's DJI RS3 Mini and I was testing it the whole day until I achieved the smoothest and stable shots. Before I will show you the settings, make sure your gimbal is balanced properly. In case if you don't know how to balance your camera, check DJI's official YouTube channel. They show step by step how to do it. As you can see, my DJI is balanced well. When I move it, it stays right at that position and doesn't move anywhere. It should be like this in your case as well. Now let's open DJI Ronin application. Click on User Profile. Here we have 3 modes, M1, M2, and M3. On M1 mode I use pan follow option. My follow speed is set to slow and deadband to high. It means that my gimbal reacts too slow whenever I move it and that makes DJI shoot smoothly. Now click on Control. Click on Motion. That's the settings I use and find them the most smoothest in my case. Let's jump to M2 mode. Here I use pan and tilt follow mode and the motor settings are the same here as well. Now click on Control. Click on Motion. Finally go to M3 mode. Here I use custom mode. I have disabled everything to shoot in locked mode. You can also shoot in lock mode when you press and hold trigger button, but I don't want to rip it, so on M3 mode I disabled all motors just to use a lock mode. Here I have the same settings but they don't work cause I have disabled motors and settings doesn't affect here. But if you have any other mode like FPV for example or 360 mode, I would recommend you to use the same settings I have showed you on M1 and M2 modes. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.